Hi everyone! In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to customize your product page on Shopify. So I'm going to show you two ways to do it. The first one is the classic way or the basic way to customize your product. I'm going to show you how to add your product and what are the things that you will need to insert into your product page. And the second one is we're going to try to customize our product page with the help of third parties. So let's get into it. First things first, you want to go to your Shopify, make sure you have logged in. And today I'm just going to be using a test shop or a test website. And we're going to go to the product section. So on the left side of the screen, you'll be able to see a navigation menu where you will find the product options right here. So you want to click on that one. And here you have two options. The first one is by adding your product manually, or if you already have a document, maybe an Excel or a CSV where you already have a bunch of your product listed there, you can also import your data to Shopify. But we're going to do it manually for now, so go ahead and click Add Product. Alright, so this is how the product page editor will looks like. The first thing you will see is you'll be able to add the title for your product. Let's say I want to add cat t-shirt for my first product. And then you'll be able to see status besides the title, and active means that you will be able to sell your product on your website. Meanwhile, draft means that you will have that product listed, but your customer will not be able to see it because you just put it on draft instead of putting the status to active. And here you'll be able to see the sales channels on which your product will be available. For now, I only have online store as well as point of sale. But in the future, if you're going to connect your Instagram or maybe your Facebook shop or maybe any other shop, you can also see the list of the sales channel that you have over here. Next, you're going to want to add a description. And if this is your first time and you're not really sure how to describe your product, you can always ask the help of ChatGPT, or you can also use a text generator. And let's say I want to generate a text from a cat t-shirt with cotton material. And then I'm going to go ahead and click generate. And I'm just going to use this one. So I'm going to go ahead and click on keep. And this is how it looks like. Now we're going to upload our media, so you can just drag and drop your media here, or you can also click on upload new, and I'm going to add the picture of my product. Alright, so it's going to look something like that. Then you're going to want to add your pricing here. Let's say it's going to be 150,000 rupiah, and you can choose whether you want to charge tax on this product or not. So this one is going to be the cost for the item. So I'm going to say that it is 75,000, and you'll be able to see your margins right here. Then you can also track your quantity if you need to. And then you can also add your shop location. And because this is a physical product, of course, I'm going to take this box. And I'm just going to add 1 kilo. Then you can add variant if you want. You can also add category, etc. And this is the very basic product page in Shopify. Once you're done, you can just go ahead and click on save. Then this product will be listed into your product list. And if you go back, you'll be able to see here on your product list. So that is the first way of editing your product page in your Shopify. Now the second way to do that is by using a third parties, and the one that I'm going to be using today is called Instant. So I'm just going to go ahead and click start for free. Then I'm just going to go ahead and click install the app. So they're going to bring us into Shopify App Store, and we're going to click on install here. Then go ahead and click install. And make sure you sign in into Instant, and then you're going to want to answer some questions. And here on the goal sections here, I am going to say that I'm going to need to create a product templates. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that and then go to the next step. And you're going to want to connect your instant to your Shopify. So go ahead and click connect to Shopify. And now that we got our Shopify successfully connected to Instant, we can finally start editing our product page. So we're going to start by choosing on the page we want to edit. And as you can see, they have a bunch of templates that we can use in order to spice things up with our product page. So let's say that this is the one that I want to use. I can just go ahead and click on this one. And it's going to bring us into this editors right here, where we can see how it will look like at our store. So here on the right side of the screen, we'll be able to see an editor, and we'll be able to choose our product directly from our Shopify. So you can go ahead and click whether you want to see the content in the placeholder form or the Shopify form. And I'm going to choose the one from my Shopify to see how things looks like. And you can see that we got our product inserted, and it says here that if we will want to publish this templates into our website, we can just go ahead and click on publish right here. But before we see the product, we're just going to edit some stuff. So here we still got some residue from the previous product, which is a whey protein, I believe. So in order to edit everything, all you have to do is click on the part that you want to edit. For example, this one here is the flavor part, and if you want to delete it, you can just go ahead and click on the elements you want to delete and then click on delete on your keyboard, and it's going to remove everything. And if you would like to edit your text, you can always click on the text right here, and it's going to show you which text you can edit on the left side of the screen right here. And then you can also edit some more picture. So if you ever going to upload any picture while you're editing your product page with Instant, you can always go to this asset sections right here, and this is where you'll be able to see the photo that you have uploaded into Instant. So as you can see, it's going to give you more than what you usually will get with the regular product page. Now make sure to take a look at everything, because as you can see, some of the element that comes with this templates actually follows the product that comes with it. So if any of this element does not match with your product, make sure you remove it first before you publish it into your Shopify. So again, to summarize it, you can go to the layer sections right here, and then you can see what are the elements that these templates have. You can simply click on any of the element in order to edit it, and you can always change the text if you want to. You can always delete any element if you want to, and after you're done, and you can also add effect for every element. And once you're done with everything, you can just go ahead and click on publish, and this product page will be published into your Shopify. Now let's see how it will look like. So this is how it looks like for now. We got the review, we got the product recommendation, and of course you can change this later when you got more product inside of your shop. But this is basically how things look like with Instant. And that's basically it. That is how you can customize your product page with Shopify. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.